So here's Pillowtalk app, kind of like a voice journal, AI voice journal. The app where you can just talk to your phone and like if you want just to vent out, to relax, and you're just talking to this app and it's like AI app which analyzes your points. This is like your AI voice journal and gives you AI feedback to raise your self-awareness. Explore your thoughts with conversational AI designed to help you unpack emotions, relationships, and patterns in your behavior. Whether you're journaling dreams, managing stress, or creating mindfulness habits, Pillow Talk is a personal journal here to help you live with clarity and purpose. And that's basically the app. So I just installed it. Super easy to create an account with Apple ID. Of course, there is paid version, but there is like limited free version, and then you can just start talking to it, and then you just tap just to talk to it. It's kind of like Chat GPT, but then it has kind of like AI therapist. Uh, uh, so then you can just start talking. It's a bit cloudy today. And then basically whatever. So then you can have analysis. Like this is the app where you have like entry breakdown, and then you can see your mood. And then you can add some people, and then you have analysis of your thoughts. Obviously this is just very like beginning idea for you, but in this app you can just talk to your phone if you have some emotions, feelings, you don't know what to do, you just want to talk to your friends but you don't have who to talk to and things like that, and then you can just talk to this app. So it's kind of like AI therapist app. And then yeah, you can just see it in here, and then that's the idea. You have your different cards where you can talk on different topics to this app. Then there are different things which you can explore. So yeah, different just categories, and then there are different entries. And then yeah, basically there are all the different patterns, which is your analytics of this app and how you've been feeling. And it's basically automatically creates mood for you. So in some other journaling apps you need to manually enter that. There are a lot of these journaling apps where you need to, hey, how am I feeling today, and write it, type it, and then just type your feelings manually. Here you just talk to this app like to your AI therapist, and then it creates analytics for you automatically. So it defines how you are feeling based on your words, like whether you mention some people or not. It adds them, it creates personas, it analyzes your voice, analyzes which emotions you're experiencing based on that. So quite cool, interesting idea. Let's see if people like this app. And then yeah, if you don't like it, you can delete your account easily in here. But you can also just lock all your thoughts and everything with a passcode, with a Face ID, so you feel more private and you can share more deeper thoughts, more intimate thoughts with this app. And then yeah, you can also install like daily notifications when to start journaling. Yeah, for a lot of people it's a great thing. I know some people really like just to talk it out. Doesn't matter if talk to real people or just talk to your phone, but you know that's basically the idea of the app. Maybe it's a start of new trend, so try it out.